I did explain to the EPP that I think whatever disagreements I have with the British government over Brexit more generally, I think there is a real consensus across the British political system that we must do everything we possibly can to keep the present situation between the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland, South and North, as similar to what we have at the moment as we possibly can. As one of the architects of the Good Friday Agreement, which brought into being the peace process in Northern Ireland, I'm extremely anxious to make sure that Brexit does not impair that agreement, that we continue to have the closest possible relationship between Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland. There are really important and difficult challenges in this. At the moment, we have a common travel area where people can travel freely between south and north, north and south, on the island of Ireland. This is vital to maintain. In addition, the open border between the north and south is, in terms of trade, has done an immense amount for UK-Irish trade and commercial relationships. And obviously it's important that, though there will be difficult challenges in relation to this, that we again safeguard as much of that as possible and minimize any potential damage.